Picture a team that can transform itself as quickly as your thoughts, adapting instantly to new challenges while maintaining perfect coherence. Imagine an organizational structure that, like quantum particles, can exist in multiple states simultaneously, creating possibilities that defy traditional limitations. Welcome to the world of quantum teams, where the principles that govern the smallest particles in our universe are revolutionizing how we organize human potential. In our previous episode, we explored how organizations can develop neural networks that think and learn. Today, we're taking that evolution one step further, discovering how teams can transcend conventional boundaries and respond to change at previously unimaginable speeds. The Quantum Awakening. Let me tell you about Alex Rivera, who leads innovation at a global technology firm. We had assembled some of the brightest minds in the industry, Alex explains, but we were organizing them like it's 1990. Despite having cutting-edge AI, advanced analytics, and world-class talent, our rigid team structures were holding us back. We needed something radically different. Alex's team was facing a critical challenge, developing a revolutionary product in half the usual time while competing with nimble startups. Traditional approaches weren't working. Cross-functional teams were too slow. Agile methods helped but didn't go far enough. That's when Alex discovered quantum team principles. The transformation was remarkable, Alex recalls. Instead of fixed teams struggling to adapt, we created fluid structures that could instantly reconfigure. Knowledge flowed seamlessly, innovation accelerated. We completed the project in record time, and more importantly, we discovered a new way of working that changed everything. The quantum reality of modern business. Traditional team structures were designed for a Newtonian world, one where cause and effect were clearly linked, where challenges could be anticipated, and where roles could be clearly defined. But today's business environment more closely resembles the quantum realm, where uncertainty is the only certainty and change happens at the speed of thought. Consider Sarah Martinez's consulting firm. The traditional team structure worked perfectly until it didn't. We were facing challenges that didn't even exist when we designed our teams, Sarah recalls. Markets would shift overnight. Customer needs would transform in real time. Our rigid teams simply couldn't keep up. The solution came from an unexpected source: quantum physics. Just as quantum particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, quantum teams develop the ability to be both stable and fluid, specialized and adaptable, independent and interconnected. The 5 states of quantum teams. State 1, fluid formation. Traditional teams are like solid structures, stable but rigid. Quantum teams are like liquid, maintaining cohesion while instantly adapting their shape to any situation. This fluid formation enables organizations to respond to challenges with unprecedented speed and precision. At Biotech Innovations, a leading pharmaceutical company, this principle transformed the drug development process. Instead of fixed research teams working in isolation, they created what they call quantum research clusters. When a promising compound is identified, these clusters form instantly, pulling together expertise from molecular biology, AI and data science, clinical research, regulatory affairs, market analysis. The results were stunning. Drug development time reduced by 40%, success rate increased by 65%, resource utilization improved by 50%, innovation rate doubled. The key, explains Dr. Sarah Chen, head of research, is that these formations aren't just quick, they're intelligent. Teams assemble based on the specific needs of each challenge, bringing together exactly the right combination of skills and perspectives. State 2, dynamic expertise. In quantum teams, expertise isn't a fixed attribute, it's a dynamic state that evolves through interaction. Dr. James Wilson's research at MIT revealed how quantum teams develop what he calls emergent expertise, knowledge and capabilities that arise from team interactions rather than individual skills. This principle in action at Global Solutions, a technology consultancy, transformed their approach to problem solving. Before, fixed expertise silos, linear knowledge sharing, limited cross-pollination of ideas, slow adaptation to new challenges. After implementing dynamic expertise, fluid knowledge networks, real-time skill evolution, continuous learning loops, rapid capability development, the company created expertise acceleration pods, small, diverse groups that come together to tackle specific challenges. Through their interaction, new forms of expertise emerge that transcend individual capabilities. State 3, coherent diversity. Quantum teams don't just embrace diversity, they achieve coherence through it. Like quantum entanglement, where particles remain connected regardless of distance, quantum teams maintain alignment while leveraging their differences. Manufacturing giant NextGen revolutionized their product development process by implementing coherent diversity. They created teams that combined veteran engineers with fresh graduates, data scientists with shop floor workers, design thinkers with technical experts, customer experience specialists with operations managers. The key was not just assembling diverse teams, but creating what they call coherent protocols, systems and practices that ensure diverse perspectives strengthen rather than fragment the team's focus. Results included: innovation rates increased 300%, execution time decreased 60%, employee satisfaction improved 45%, product quality metrics rose 80%. State 4. Quantum communication. Information in quantum teams doesn't just flow, it teleports. Through advanced communication protocols and shared consciousness, quantum teams develop the ability to share insights and make decisions at unprecedented speeds. Tech leader Innovate now implemented this principle through the quantum communication matrix. 1. Instant insight sharing. Real-time collaboration platforms, AI-powered pattern recognition, visual communication tools, emotional intelligence augmentation. 2. Decision acceleration. Distributed decision-making protocols, real-time impact analysis, collective intelligence systems, rapid feedback loops. 3. Knowledge synthesis. Automated pattern recognition, cross-functional learning systems, experience amplification tools, wisdom capture mechanisms. The result was a 70% reduction in decision-making time and a 90% improvement in solution quality. State 5. Synchronized autonomy. The final state represents perhaps the most profound shift: the ability to maintain perfect synchronization while operating with complete autonomy. Like quantum particles that influence each other instantaneously across vast distances, quantum teams achieve coordination without central control. Financial services firm QuantumFin demonstrated this principle by restructuring their entire operation around synchronized autonomy. They created autonomous decision-making units, self-organizing project teams, distributed leadership networks, dynamic resource allocation systems. The framework enabled teams to make rapid decisions independently, align naturally with organizational goals, adapt quickly to market changes, innovate continuously while maintaining stability. Practical implementation. The journey to quantum teams begins with understanding your organization's current state and systematically building quantum capabilities. Phase 1. Assessment. Evaluate your organization's quantum readiness across 5 dimensions. 1. Formation. Flexibility, team assembly, speed, resource allocation, agility, structural adaptability, boundary permeability. 2. Expertise development, knowledge flow, pattern, skill, evolution rate, learning capacity, innovation potential. 3. Diversity, coherence, perspective, integration, cultural synchronization, cognitive variety, alignment mechanisms. 4. Communication velocity, information flow, speed, decision-making efficiency, knowledge synthesis capability, feedback loop effectiveness. 5. Autonomy, synchronization, balance, decision rights, distribution, coordination mechanisms, goal alignment, resource sharing systems. Phase 2. Development. Build quantum capabilities through systematic development. 1. Mindset evolution, from fixed to fluid thinking, from control to emergence, from stability to adaptability, from individual to collective intelligence. 2. Skill enhancement, rapid adaptation techniques, pattern recognition abilities, collaborative intelligence, dynamic leadership capabilities. 3. Tools and technologies, advanced collaboration platforms, AI-powered decision support, knowledge synthesis systems, real-time feedback mechanisms. 4. Practices and protocols, fluid team formation processes, dynamic expertise development, coherence building routines, quantum communication protocols. Phase 3. Implementation. Execute the transformation through carefully planned stages. 1. Pilot program. Select high-impact opportunities, design controlled experiments, measure outcomes, rigorously capture learning systematically. 2. Scaling strategy. Identify expansion pathways, build support systems, develop training programs, create feedback mechanisms. 3. Integration framework. Align with existing systems, modify governance structures, adjust performance metrics, enhance support infrastructure. Results and impact. Organizations that have successfully implemented quantum teams report transformative results. Operational improvements: 40% faster response to market changes, 60% improvement in innovation success rates, 50% reduction in project completion times, 80% increase in employee engagement. Strategic advantages: enhanced adaptability to market changes, improved innovation capabilities. Stronger competitive positioning, greater organizational resilience, human capital benefits, higher employee satisfaction, increased skill development, better talent retention, enhanced career opportunities, future implications. The emergence of quantum teams represents more than just an organizational innovation, it's a fundamental shift in how we think about human collaboration and potential. As we continue to face increasingly complex challenges, the ability to operate at quantum levels will become not just an advantage but a necessity. Next week, we'll explore how to develop the consciousness operating system that makes quantum teams possible. We'll delve into the cognitive and emotional infrastructure required to support these new ways of working, and discover how organizations can cultivate the heightened awareness needed for quantum operations. Consider this: is your organization ready to make the quantum leap? The principles that govern the universe's smallest particles are transforming our understanding of human potential. The only question is, will you be at the forefront of this revolution, or will you be left behind in the Newtonian age of organizational design? Production notes: visual elements open with quantum physics. Visualization show fluid team formations through dynamic graphics. Use split-screen comparisons of traditional versus quantum approaches. Include data visualization of quantum team results. End with inspiring montage of quantum teams in action. Key points to emphasize: connection to previous episode on neural organizations, practical applications of quantum principles, real-world success stories, implementation framework, future implications, pacing, dynamic opening to grab attention. Measured explanation of concepts, accelerating pace through implementation, strong emotional close.